Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a new Google account on Android device. Alright guys, let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is opening our settings application on our Android device, and we have to go to the account and backup setting. Click on the setting and we have to select manage accounts, and we have to scroll down until we find the add account option. This one, just click on it, and since we want to set up a new Google account, we can select Google. All right, and just hold on guys, you have to wait until the loading process has completed. All right, and here you can sign in with your Google account. If you already have an account, you can sign in by inputting your email or phone right here. You have to input your password as well. But if you want to create new account, you can click on create account, and then you just need to follow the instruction to finish the step. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up a new Google account on Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.